Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be notified of future episodes. We left Savusavu early that morning with quite a bit of company. Most yachts had been waiting for some stormy weather to blow through to head out, and today was the day. Fortunately, unlike us, most boats were going west. Okay, so he's going that way, he's going that way, 1, 2, 3, 4, he's going that way, he looks like he's going that way, he looks like he's going that way. Bye! See ya! We're going that way. Having waited for calm weather in order to go east, it was no surprise that we had to run the engines. But hey, who was complaining? It was a stunning day to be on the water. Where are we?
We are approaching Paradise Resort.
At the beautiful island of Taveuni. Back again. Time to pick up a mooring.
Indeed.
Maybe do a little bit of diving, do you think?
I think it might be rather nice.
A quick call on the VHF to Paradise Resort and someone is sent out in a kayak to help you pick up your free mooring.
Hola, how are you?
Fine, thank you. Welcome back to Paradise.
Thank you. Good to be back. Just want to put that through.
I'll make everything necessary.
Perfect.
Well, DT's back in a happy place. And so are we.
Yep.
Yay! Why is Darren in there?
I just saw a whole load of dolphins. There's about 30 of them.
Lovely. Get some good footage?
I think so.
Happens when we're in a beautiful spot. It's boat jobs time.
I'll toilet breaks.
Rob's fixing the bog. What's
just
occurring this time, darling?
I'm just going to get some quick release screws. Our one-way valve is not working. So.
It's going both ways.
Yeah.
We won't describe what happens when that happens.
Our bowl fills.
I thought a full bowl was good.
Yes.
Oh no, it's a cup. Your cup runneth over is good, isn't it?
Yeah, when the
Anyway.
bowl is full.
Right.
So,
I'll put this down and give you a hand,
if you
shall I?
wouldn't mind, I just need to take this board off. That'd be really helpful.
And Rob's now gazing at our holding tank. Bit of a leak there by the look of it.
Yeah. It's a bit smelly. I don't know. This is new. And it looks like one of the clips is leaking and one of the valve seats is leaking. Go Jabs, go.
Nothing like mucking around with sewage on a Tuesday morning. Boat jobs in paradise.
Yep, so this one-way valve has got some slight obstructions to it.
Ooh, I don't like the word obstruction.
No, that's just build-up.
Put some rubber gloves, darling.
Nah, it's fine. This is actually a smaller device than we had in there before.
We know it's serious because he's got the bucket out.
I'm just going to clean it all off. It shouldn't take long. All good.
You're a good boy.
Yeah.
Why are we up when it's so dark?
We're going on a dive to the White Wall, and it's the boat leaves at 6 this morning.
And it's something hideous like 4:45 at the moment.
It is.
Oh my lord, we are stupid. We should have picked a sport like golf.
Yeah.
Mind you, that would have been quite difficult to play when you live on a boat, probably.
Best way to ruin a walk.
Despite all of my complaining about getting up at such an early hour, it was worth it. Just check out that sunrise. Hola! Paradise Resort is perfectly positioned for doing some dives on the Rainbow Reef, so we took advantage of their great rates and spent a few days in our happy place. Sunday morning, and we have been at, where are we? Paradise Resort for, oh, when did we get in? Last Tuesday? Last Monday. Wow, nearly a week then. That's flown by. And today we are heading off. We are going to go and have a look at Viani Bay, which is about a 2-hour sail in that direction. Just left Paradise Resort, and we're trucking along just under the head sail because we're too lazy to put the main up. We're doing about 4.5 knots, not bad. Lovely down the water. Not a lot else to report really. How's your day working out?
It's pretty chill, to be honest. Pretty nice. Are we having fun yet?
Oh, I thought you were taking a photo. Having a lovely day actually. There's no flipping wind. Well, there's 8 knots of wind. And it started out from the southeast and now it's coming from the northwest. But I guess that's what happens when you're in the middle of 2 great big chunks of land. But it's jolly nice out here. We've got Whip on Muscanada just over there, bobbing along with his sail out, doing 1 knot. We've given up and put the engines on because we're lazy. Oh, we're just coming into Viani Bay and it looks absolutely beautiful, I have to say. It's about 6 boats in here, but looks like a nice big bay. Just lovely. Right there, Mr. B. Looks lovely, eh?
Chickadee boo, this is lovely. Very nice.
Anchor down. In 20 metres of water, back to deep Fiji anchoring.
Yeah.
But yeah, not a bad spot.
Reporting to you live from Viani Bay, where it is a glass out. Absolute gorgeous conditions this morning. And we're going to chill here for at least today, probably tomorrow, before heading a little bit further north.
Let's call you salty. How's your morning, Mr. Birch?
My morning is awesome, thank you.
I can't believe you're in Kylie and not Kevin. Is Kylie big enough for you?
Yeah, Kylie was a lot easier. That's why I like her.
I've heard that about her.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Certainly is. I see you getting your exercise there, eh?
Yeah, just bobbing around.
Must be exhausted. Here we are, finally on the shore. The noise you can hear behind you is the dive shop filling their tanks. It's Dave's first shore landing in a while.
Yep.
And we're going to have a little wander along the beach, I think, and see what we can see. It's a primary school just there. Not a bad place to go to school, eh?
Hello, mate. Hello, how are you? Hey.
Into the resort. They are doing a Lovo. Do they call it a Lovo here? It's Fijian Lovo?
Yeah, I think so.
Lovo, umu. Basically they cook in a hole in the ground and things are put in for about 4 hours and it makes them nice and tender. It's a traditional way of cooking in the South Pacific. So we're joining the other yachts in the bay and going in to enjoy a nice meal together. We don't have to cook or wash up. Landed on the beach and it's a lovely evening. It was nice to sit back and enjoy a few cold beers while someone else did all of the cooking. The food was absolutely delicious and we had a wonderful evening. Thank you so much for watching. Join us next week as we have our first free diving lesson. And Dave makes a few friends on the beach.